Exit here for all seated.
Oh, okay, everybody. Wiping the sweat off my face. We are in Florida, and that is our hotel over here. The beach is that way. This is a little causeway, and this is a little part that I decided to metal detect, and I did find some things. Just thought I'd give you a little tour. I've already detected all this here, and then also over there that says Indian mound, but I didn't know it was an Indian mound when I started metal detecting, and as soon as I saw that, I decided to leave and come over here. So anyway, just a really beautiful causeway with really big boats. This is actually a taxi right here. But I did find some pretty neat things. I found what I think is a really nice silver earring, 925. Came out of the ground, just gorgeous. I don't know if it's super valuable, but it is pretty nice. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed some of the other parts of this video. It's going to be real short, but I will do a wrap-up of everything I found, not only on the beach, but also here at this little park. There's some cool things, nothing over the top though. It was, you know, just something I thought I'd do while my wife was sleeping in the morning. Just come out and detect, and then when we were on the beach, I also detected for about 2 hours on the beach. But it is smoking hot out here. The humidity, I'm not used to it. I grew up in Minnesota, so we had lots and lots of humidity in the summertime, but being in Colorado now, it's super dry. But anyway, just a really beautiful short little vacation that we took to Pompano Beach, Florida, just a little ways away from Fort Lauderdale. I used the Equinox 800 with a 6-inch coil and went in part 1 for my hunts here. Did beach 1 over on the beach and literally found just a couple of little things. So, all right, that'll wrap this little portion of the video up. I just wanted to get something on film so I could do a little footage. I got some really cool GoPro wave action. Hopefully you enjoy that too. I'll add to this video, but the main part of the video is going to be the wrap up of the things I found. But I probably won't do that until I get back to Colorado. quarter. Very hard to detect down here because of the amount of people that are on the beach. I tried to detect over here a little ways. I found a couple of quarter and stuff like that, but I have a new respect for people that detect on the beach. Maybe easy to dig with your little digger, but man, it's hard to walk on it. And there ain't a whole lot of targets. Actually, I had a 25 sensitivity on my Equinox 800 in Beach 1. Okay, we got a 25-26, should be a dime. Let's find out. Should be in the scoop. Nope. Got a dime. Wait for a big one there, guys. This is a good one right here. Coming. There's some big ones. Hey man, I think the waves are going down. Oh, that would have been a good one. That one got me. Woo! Come on. Come on, give me a good one. There we go. Oh, that would have been a good one over there. Uh-oh. That's a good one. Got a 22, 23, 24. I'm not very good at this. So, bottle cap. That's a good one. That's a good one. There it comes. Come on, chain lens. Here comes a big one for you. Moves are good. Ah! Woo! On a slipper. Oh, it's a nice one. I don't even know what it says, but somebody lost their slipper. Look at this one right here. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh, God in the Himmel. Oh, go baby! Oh no! To just focus on a little area, so I'm hoping it works. Hoping I find something. We shall see. I'm getting some good footage, man. A little bit of a live dig. 21. There it is. It's a penny. Oh, look at this giant tall bitch. Woo! Yeah, Joe! Know what that is. I'm using a 6-inch coil today. I know there's a lot to cover over here. Huh. A key. Hell yeah. I love those keys. Man, add to the key collection. Hey everybody, cheers. We are back from Pompano Beach, Florida. I'm here to do a wrap-up with you for the things that I found, mainly at that little park. I did find a couple of flag coins on the beach, but the biggest fun we had was the big waves, and I hope you enjoyed the video, but let's get to the wrap-up. Okay, the wrap-up for Pompano Beach, and also the little park next to Pompano Beach. Had an awesome time, like I said, and here's what I found. Love shells. Had to pick up some of those. I'm a landlocked guy. Grew up in Minnesota and I live here in Colorado. That's why we go to the beach, right? I have 9 quarters. I have, it looks like 9 dimes, 6 pennies. And I did find 1 token. No cash value, it says on it. Don't even know what that is. I think this quarter here is a little older, but I can't tell if that's an 8 or a 3. If it's an 8, it's not old. But anyway, if it was a 3, I would know it's silver. Anyway, I found a Batmobile, little piece of some circuitry. It came up gold, and that's why I kept it, because of that little piece right there. I don't know if circuitry is ever made with gold, but it came up gold. Got 4 weights right here. I have 3 beautiful pieces of coral that I thought were nice. I found a pendant, and this one has on the back of it something about a cachet, so I was like, wow, that's kind of cool. A little emblem of some sort. I couldn't make out the name. Another little piece of jewelry, I think. Found that in the ground. Obviously something that probably held down a tent or something. I found a copper, a beautiful copper bracelet. A silver 925 earring. Of course, she saw me get that. Of course, she saw me get the key. Add to my key collection. Remember, I'm going to show you all the keys that I find for the year when I do my end of year wrap up. And I found this, and I thought this might be something kind of cool. And I don't know what it is. Maybe one of you guys can tell me. I'm not even really honestly sure if it's not off of a weapon or some sort. But it's... I don't know. If you know what that is, let me know. I was looking for writing on it. It doesn't have anything on it. No serial numbers or anything. But I thought that was... I mean, it's extremely heavy, so... Anyway, that's the wrap up. Like I said, I didn't find a whole lot. I have a lot of clad coins. Probably the things I love the most are these pieces of coral, my shells, and the bracelet, and the little earring. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to get a whole bunch more subscribers, so you know, it just motivates you more when you see people watching, viewing your videos. And I hope to have some great content coming up.